Hi friends, in this video, I will show you how you can easily edit a PDF file. For that, we need to use a website called Sejda.com. Here, we simply click on Edit a PDF document. Here, we simply upload our PDF file and edit everything easily. So, let me upload this file. Before editing the document, I will show you the PDF file on my PC, which is not editable. But on this website, you can easily edit each word. After editing your document, simply click on Apply Changes. It takes a few seconds to process your task. After that, you will be able to download your newly edited file.